All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally got my leather case in. My other case will be here soon. This is the leather case from Samsung for the Z Fold2. And this is the packaging that it came in. It's just got some little branding down there. It says Z Fold2 and Z Fold2 5G, because I guess there's a non 5G version. So let's get this open here. Right here. This pops open and then it comes out. Now this is a snap-on half case. Right now, Samsung doesn't offer any cases that cover the full front, but you can get that in, whoa, this is way thinner than I thought. Man, it's super thin, folks. This cost me 80 bucks. Well, it costs 80 bucks, and I got it as a part of the $970 package with this together, with all the discounts or whatever. But this retails for 80 bucks for this half, and it's not as, this doesn't feel as sturdy as I thought it was going to feel. But got the nice little velvety material inside to protect the device. And again, I knew what I was getting into by buying this. I didn't have to buy it, but I wanted to. I bought this with the expectation that it was going to come at the same time as my phone, but it actually shipped at the same time. And then for some reason, they sent this case in another direction. They shipped them separately, and they shipped this one. They both came from Copo, Texas or something like that, and that's close to me, well, close enough. This came the next morning, and this came 5 days later, however many days it is. So, but there it is. You got some branding down there from Samsung. You got a cutout that's going to protect the camera. The cutout on the side here is so you can have quick access to volume and fingerprint reader. And this side is just nothing. So let me clean off the device. I don't have one of my microfiber cloths, but I'll just use my shirt like most people do. And then, let's get it a little bit. And then it just snaps on like that. That is, I gotta admit now, there are other cases out there with a front display that covers the hinge and it just goes all around, which is Casemate. T-Mobile has it for 35 bucks. I'm probably gonna pick that one up too. And I do have the other official case from Samsung. It's another halfback like this, that Kevlar one, but it has a kickstand. So that is what I'm gonna really be excited about. So I was posting on Instagram post. So the case will sit like this with that Kevlar one because it has that kickstand on the back. But I got this because I wanted to have something that could have some grip on this device, just in case I, just didn't want to wear the one with the kickstand. The one with the kickstand seems like a rugged style case. And this case seems like it's going to be nice and smooth in the pocket, but still give the phone that grip. I don't have to worry about those fingerprints on the back. I apologize if you hear my lawn care people. They always seem to show up when I'm shooting videos, but there it is, man. The Samsung leather case. It is nice. It's all that I thought it would be. All the ports and everything are going to be just that, just those few that it has. And I gotta admit, it does look a little awkward, Again, I knew what I was getting into. I knew what I was getting into, but having it now, it just feels weird. And I'm gonna go out here and punch this dude because he came over here and did my edges like a whole bunch of times. And every time I fire up this camera, he comes back. It's like he can tell, hey, Jay's in the record. Let me go ahead and let me do this real quick and mess with him. All right, now get out of here, man. I ain't giving you no tip. So there it is, man. The camera cutout is nicely recessed now. And this is the official leather case from Samsung. That is it. This is what you get. This is 80 bucks, folks. I don't know what to say. Obviously, I feel like I wasted some money. But the thing is, I got this coupon. I really didn't pay the 80 bucks because I got that coupon or whatever that they gave me to where I got this for like $2 or I don't know what it was. It got discounted down. But still, they could have put this in the box or they could have put something in the box, but I'm over it. And I technically got it free, I guess, but the price I don't recommend that you run out and buy this. Like if you're gonna buy, you don't have any kind of trade-ins, you don't have any kind of coupons. Yeah, I don't recommend this. I recommend something that has the front and the back that looks a little bit more uniform. I don't know, but this will work with wireless charging. And this is it. This is the official Samsung leather case for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G and Z Fold 2. See you in the next one. Take care.